The reality of packing with a chronic illness, especially for a long trip, is this. This is what I've made so far for my packing list. This is just my medications. Now, granted, this is more medications than I probably will end up taking because it turns out that you don't have a terrible migraine for every day you think you're going to, hopefully. Hopefully I won't need things like a Z-Pak in case I get sick. I won't need the steroids that I'm taking. But the reality of being chronically ill is that you have to be prepared for everything, or else something's going to happen that is going to completely wreck everything, or at least that's how it feels. So I'm going to start out today with grabbing a couple of things out. So the first one is my prescription for Xeljanz arthritis. Yay. Let's see if I have the right bottle, or if this is the one that I'm currently using. This is the new one. Okay. Attached prescription. We like those, especially for traveling out of the country. Pen to keep track of it all, because goodness knows I can't keep track of it up here. Okay. That. Okay, nasal spray behind you. Just a saline spray and some good old Flonase. Nothing terribly fancy. Okay, so then we've got nasal saline and that. Then anxiety medications. There you go. Gotta remember allergy medication, especially for those of us that have autoimmune stuff that likes to also just suddenly react to random things, you know, as these things go. That one was Lolatin. Okay. Now here's my bag of fancy prescriptions that I just picked up specifically for this. Although that one actually just got thrown in from my last trip. Okay. So here we have migraine prescription number 1. Skin prescription number 1. So both of those are that, and oh, I also am going to take Aleve. Probably not in that big bottle though. I think I have a smaller one somewhere. And skin number 1. Then this is methylprednisolone. Good stuff. Really good stuff. Okay, so that must make this last one the Z-Pak. Yep. Okay. Now, I just need to grab, right, sterilizing wipes should be in here too. Here we are. Alcohol swabs for giving myself my injection while I'm there for my skin. I'm just gonna bring a couple. These are seriously awesome. They come in little packs of 2. But they're great for, oh, this, you know, I nicked myself. Whatever. Fix that. But anyway, that's the start of my packing for a 2-week trip to Italy with a chronic illness.